Hi guys! In today's video, you will learn how to create affiliate account on TikTok. So without further ado, let's start! First, you have to download TikTok Seller app. You need to complete all the necessary information and one valid ID. After that, you can see right here my shop. So go ahead and select settings. From settings, tap link TikTok accounts. And then click on marketing accounts. And then right here, you can select the TikTok account that you want to link on your TikTok shop. Now open your TikTok account and there you can see the affiliate basket. You can now add affiliate products. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.